my
Barbie
God.
Forteza opisyal nang inamin ang kanilang hiwalayan ni Jack Roberto. Sa pagpasok ng taong 2025, ay marami nga ang talagang nagulat sa pagbabahagi ni Ms. Barbie Forteza ng isang nakakalungkot na balita, kung saan ay opisyal na nga na ipinaalam nito ang kanilang hiwalayan ng longtime boyfriend nito na si Mr. Jack Roberto. Sa naging post ni Barbie Forteza ay pinasalamatan pa nga nito si Mr. Jack Roberto. "Don't cry because it's over. Smile because it happened. Having you in my life was the happiest I had ever been. 7 wonderful years, a lot of laughs, a lot of ramen and so much love. Your love was exceptional, but sometimes, good things fall apart so better things can come together. Beautiful goodbye, at Jack Roberto." Marami naman ang nalungkot at nanghinayang sa kanilang hiwalayan, marami rin ang umaasa na magkakabalikan pa ang dalawa. "Thank you for loving me the way you did. I am excited for what's to come for the both of us. You take care of yourself. May you find the love you deserve. I hope for everyone's understanding and I wish you can help us put this matter to rest." Wala naman ibinigay na dahilan si Barbie Forteza ng kanilang hiwalayan.